Magic Lollipop or Rose, and Camila is going to show us how.
So you grab some Model Magic clay and then you color it with any color you like.
And what color are you doing, Camila?
I'm doing red.
And what will that turn to when you mix it up?
Pink. That's enough color.
Okay.
Now you mix it up. And now you can roll it into a ball. First take some of it out. And roll it into a ball. You don't want it to be that big. So take some of it out. For the extra, roll it. And then you push it down. Roll it into a snake, and then you can press it on like a swirl. And now you can get a popsicle stick and put it in there. Have a lollipop. That's all for today.
And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.